Imagine spending 17 years underground just to come out, scream, and die. That's not a horror movie plot. That's the life of a cicada. Today on our channel, we uncover the hidden life cycle of cicadas, how they shake the trees with sound, and why their mass emergence is a miracle of nature. Periodical cicadas spend 13 or 17 years underground. They emerge only when the soil temperature hits about 64 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. No insect spends more time preparing for a single month of life. Female cicadas lay eggs in thin tree branches. Nymphs hatch, fall to the ground, and dig down for a decade or more. They molt multiple times underground. Then, finally, they crawl out of the soil and shed their nymph skins. Male cicadas sing by vibrating membranes called timbrels. These calls can reach 120 decibels, which is actually louder than a lawnmower. And when thousands sing together, the trees feel alive. Male sings, female responds. They meet, they mate, and soon after, they die. It's a frantic race against time, because they only live a few weeks as adults. Cicadas don't sting, they don't bite, they just make noise and molt. Their exoskeletons, however, are everywhere. Cicadas are, well, nature's fertilizer bomb. Their mass emergence actually feeds entire food chains, and when their bodies decay, they enrich the forest floor in a big way. Cicadas use prime numbers as a defense strategy. This math-based survival plan, honestly, helps them avoid syncing up with predators. Cicadas predate birds, and even dinosaurs. They've evolved very little in over 200 million years, which is just kind of mind-blowing. Next time you hear that alien hum in the trees, remember, it actually took 17 years to rehearse.